Welcome to CFMOTO Side Rider. You ever go up to your side-by-side and you smell gas? Say it's parked in your garage and you get a strong smell of gas. You look around, you don't see any leaks. Or maybe you're out riding and you smell gas, but you can't tell where the leak is coming from. I'm going to show you what to check first, and it's probably going to be the fix. Let's check it out now. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our passenger seat out because the fuel tank is here on the right side of this CFMOTO ZFORCE. So we're going to take the passenger seat out. So you're going to reach here, there's a tab, pull it up and grab your seat and just pull it straight out. Okay, so here is your fuel tank down in here. This is where your fuel sender, fuel pump, whatever you'd like to call it. It's right here in the top of your fuel tank. And you'll see a black ring, a black plastic ring here on top of your tank that holds this sending unit into place. So what has probably happened is this has come loose from, maybe it was never tight, or maybe it's from rattling and shaking while riding. So all you need to do is just tighten it up. Mine is really snug, but yours may be loose. So just snug it up and that should solve your problem. Then all you have to do is place your seat back in place, snap it into place, and you're ready to go. Okay, so that's the best scenario. That's probably what it's going to be. If it is, that's all you need to do. And if that video helped you, I have another video. If you don't know how to adjust your seats, your passenger seat and your driver's seat, I have a video. I'll link it at the end of this video and put it down in the description below on how you can adjust your seats to your riding comfort. So thanks for watching. Hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next video.